Hello, family. How are you today? This is GIS Digital Art and Photography. We are going to learn three things. What I show you is important to our lens to have a long lifespan and to use them without being offended. And I'll show you some simple tricks. Stay tuned. So, for today, we're gonna learn three things. The first thing is how to have a clean and neat lens. The second is how to avoid cranky, which is not friendly to zoom in and zoom out lens without hurting our lens, not having a creep. And the third is it is important to put a UV protection on our lens. So, what are the pros and cons in terms of physicality? All right, we're gonna see those three things. To clean our lens in an effective way, we need these three things. First, spray with water. Second, microfiber towel. Third, microfiber cleaning cloth made for screen cleaning. I do the spray mixing a very few amount of soap with water and shake it. Here is my lens, and here is my lens sight looks like. Totally blurry and foggy. My lens is totally foggy. I'm spraying my lens with a very small amount of soap water, not to spray it directly. I will scrub it gently with my microfiber towel, and it will avoid all those crusty dirts. For the glass part, I'll use the cleaning cloth that is made for the screen only. I can get these things in Dollar Trees or whatever when we buy electronics stuff from most of the stores. They'll have it. And I'll close my lens with its cup and minimize the exposure from the dirt. Let's see how this cranky lens looks. It is difficult to pull the zoom in and out. My lens is not friendly anymore. Don't feel disgusted to try this simple trick. Just rub your hair for 3 to 5 seconds. Make sure your hair is a little oily. Please do not use much oil. It might damage the whole grip of your lens. Gently rub your zoomer lens. It is so smooth to do zoom in and out. I think it seems fixed for me. I'm going to put my UV protection on my lens. UV lenses have a lot of benefits in terms of giving a good sight to our image and also as a physical coverage. Just like the bottom cap, we can use the UV lens as a top cap. It will prevent my fingerprints. The lens glass will protect more from scratch and foggy looks. I can easily clean and avoid the dirt or fingerprint from the UV lens. If my lens suddenly falls, it will protect my lens glass from damage. But the cons of putting the UV lens is if we take it on or off, it will scratch the thread of our lens. Here's how my lens got a scraped thread from the UV lens on the past. If you have a cheaper UV lens like me, just leave the UV lens on the top of your lens always. From this video, I hope you got something. Please let me know your thoughts and comments in the comments section. That helps me to make other and better videos. As we're new, we need your help by subscribing and liking our channel. And see you next week.